Namaskar, I am Dr. D.R. Patnaik, India Meteorological Department. Welcome for weekly weather discussion. I will be presenting what main features prevailed over the country during last week and what we are expecting during next 2 weeks. If you see the last week, the main conditions, the synoptic conditions, that were that 3 low pressure systems, 2 over the Bay of Bengal and 1 over the Northeast Arabian Sea adjoining to Saurashtra region. So these 2 low pressure area, that was one over the Northwest Bay of Bengal, that is 26 to 27 June. The second one, that is over the Saurashtra and Kutch region, that is 28 to 29 June. So another low pressure area over Northwest Bay of Bengal during 29 June to 2nd July. So associated, you can see the satellite imagery, how the deep convections are there over the TW area, that is, and also the west coast, that is the Gujarat region. And the convection are also very clearly seen. And east-west trap were very strong. So associated with these systems, the monsoon progress and monsoon cover the entire country during the week on 29 June. So this year, if you see, the monsoon arrival was over the Kerala was also early by about 7 days, because it came on 24th May against the normal onset date of 1st June, and it also covered the entire India on 29 June, that is against the normal onset date of 8 July. So associated with this low pressure system and other synoptic condition, you can see how the main extremely heavy rainfall events and different strong winds are there. You can see here the last week, that is from 26 June to 2nd July. So many stations, particularly over the subdivisions of Odisha, then Jharkhand, then East UP, then your Assam Meghalaya, then West MP, then East Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala. So these states experience extremely heavy rainfall, and I have written some of the stations, as you can see on 2nd July, that is on Kanpur 20 centimeter recorded. On 1st July, Himachal Pradesh, many stations recorded 22, 21, 20 centimeter in the district of Mandi. Similarly, on 29 June also, Odisha got very high, extremely heavy rainfall, 32 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 25 centimeter. Jharkhand also reported very extremely heavy rainfall, 31 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and 27 Assam and Meghalaya got extremely heavy rainfall. Then 26 also Kerala got extremely heavy rainfall. So last week, so you can see the many subdivisions have got extremely heavy rainfall, and if you see the very heavy rainfall, that is about more than 12 centimeters, very heavy rainfall. Also large part of central India, northern India, south peninsula India, subdivision also got very heavy rainfall. And if you see the heavy rainfall, that is from 7 centimeters to 12 centimeters. So here yellow colors. So you can see most of the subdivision also got many days. That varies from 1 to 7 days. So you got the heavy rainfall also. Then coming to the strong wind, the gusty wind, that is greater than 60 kmph during the week. So only few subdivisions only reported this one, that yellow color, that is 1 to 3 days, and that is coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu region, and also another. And if you go to the 40 to 60 kmph, that is the wind. So major part you can see means many days it got this wind reported, and many subdivisions, southern peninsula and also over the eastern region, UP, then Bihar, MP, this is also got large number of days, means about more than 6 days, more than 4 to 5 days are also got reported this one. Then coming to the thunderstorm, during the monsoon season, thunderstorm also occurred, and during the week 26 June to 2nd July, many subdivisions have got many days actually reported thunderstorm. So with some of the red color, that Tamil Nadu, that West MP, then Bihar, so that is got more than 6 days also reported TS days, and other subdivision also got 4 to 5 days and 1 to 3 days. So during this week, these are the major extreme weather event that reported. Now associated with this thing, if you see the rainfall distribution during the week 26 June to 2nd July, the left panel figure, if you see the most of the subdivisions, you can see dark blue, that is the large excess. Whenever that is more than 60 59%, that is large excess. So then excess rainfall 20 to 6%, then normal green color, then yellow, then red color deficient, and yellow large deficient. So in this case, you can see most of the subdivisions except some part of the northeastern region and some part of the west coast also, we got the good rainfall distribution during the week over the entire country. As a result of this, if you quantitatively, if you see here, the 19% above normal rainfall reported country as a whole during the week, and northwest India received 57% above the normal, central India 49% above the normal, south peninsula is only 9% above normal, whereas the northeast India it is reported 40% less than normal. And cumulative rainfall 1st June to 22nd July. So as a result of this rainfall during this week also got good rainfall. So the cumulative starting from the monsoon season of 1st June, so it is now at 11% above the normal, and your northwest India and central India 45% and 28% above the normal, whereas south peninsula is just close to normal -1%, and your east and northeast India it is -18%. This is the cumulative rainfall from 1st June to 2nd July. And now, as of now, the warning associated with the current synoptic systems are there. Means if you see the cyclone circulation is there, and that is also expected to move in next 3-4 days. So associated with this one, we have seen the warning graphics are there, rainfall. So we have given heavy to very heavy rainfall activity likely to continue for many parts of India during next 6 to 7 days, with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places over East Rajasthan, then Ghats area of Madhya Maharashtra, South Coastal Maharashtra, and Goa, coastal and South Interior Karnataka on today. So subsequently after today, that means on 3rd July, after this thing, the extremely heavy rainfall area will decrease, and now very heavy rainfall are also there over expected to central part of India and also some part of northern India. Then heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely to continue over Himachal Pradesh, because that is a Met subdivision experiencing very heavy rainfall, extremely heavy rainfall during last week. So this is also again warning is given to Himachal Pradesh. So you can see this is for next, and then subsequently during day 5, day 6 and day 7. So there is really only the heavy rainfall warnings are given over the different part of country, except some part of the southern peninsula and eastern meteorological subdivision. Now this is the extended rain forecast for next 2 weeks. So overall, what are we are expecting during next 2 week monsoon rainfall. So if you see now, cyclone circulation is there. So monsoon trough at the mean sea level runs south of its normal position. So it is a good condition, and monsoon is likely to be active phase with heavy to very heavy rainfall at few places over east, central, northwestern, and western coastal parts of India, and some of the stations also is expected to get extremely heavy rainfall over isolated places over Rajasthan, Konkan, Madhya Maharashtra, South India Karnataka, Kerala, Ghats area of coastal Karnataka, and South Peninsula. So one first week is going to be little active, and when you come to the second week, that is from 11 to 17 July, so here monsoon overall near normal activity or likely to be over slightly below normal over some part of the country, that you can see, and overall normal rainfall is likely over most part of central and south peninsula India, near normal also over northwest India except UP, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, where below normal rainfall activity likely, and also below normal rainfall is also likely over most part of east and northeast India during the week. So that means as we go to the second week, so that the yellow and the red color area, that is below normal area expected, whereas the other part is close to normal or normal rainfall are expected. Then temperature, now already we have crossed the June month, now it is July month, so now temperatures are not that much there, but maximum temperature if you see are likely to be slightly above normal, 1 to 3 degrees over UP, Bihar and most part of northeast India during first week, that is for 4 to 10 July, and other area temperature are expected to be below normal. And when we go to second week, that 11 to 17 July, that means that area Tmax is likely to be above normal 2 to 4 degrees over many parts of east and northeast India, UP, many parts of western Himalayan region, and other region we are expecting the temperature to be below normal. Now this is the cyclogenesis. No cyclogenesis expected during the next 2 weeks. However, the present cyclone circulation is expected to move west northwestward from the area, and it gives good rainfall over the central part of India, and also another cyclone circulation is expected to form over the North Bay of Bengal and adjoining coastal West Bengal and Bangladesh around 6 July and move west northwest during subsequent 3 to 4 days. So these cyclone circulations will give good rainfall, but even the week 2 also we are expecting that another cyclone circulation will form. However, we are not expecting any cyclogenesis like low pressure depression or cyclonic storm during the next 2 weeks. So this is the fishermen are advised to not to venture into the mark area. That means the very strong wind actually during the monsoon strong current are there. So associated with it, you can see the Arabian Sea regions that is highlighted. That means very squally wind with wind speed 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 65 kmph with dark shaded area. So these are the areas so where fishermen to avoid the area. So this is the fishermen warning during the first week. So this with all these warning and our forecast are available through our different apps. You can download the apps and you can get from our website and also from the other applications that like mausam app, Damini app, Megdud app, etc. With this, I conclude this my weekly map discussion and briefing. And thank you. Namaskar.